Good morning students, this is our business study class. Today we will learn economic activities according to business studies. Three kinds of activity we will study here. First is business, second is profession and third is employment. We will learn today how to differentiate all these three on the basis of these points. One more thing, now you have promoted in 11th standard, then whenever you have to make difference, firstly you have to give basis on which basis you are making differentiate all of these three. First is mode of establishment. For set up a business, what we have to do, we have to make some legal formalities if they require, or we have to make registration. Okay, legal formalities. And for profession, like profession, CA, CS, doctors, for that you have to take a degree from a statutory body. Like if you want to do CA, then you have to go through ICAI. So, professional degrees or registration, or you have to register yourself under a professional body. And for employment you have to take required step or qualification which is demanded by your employer. So, as per your employer. Second point is qualification. For set up a business, you don't need any qualification. Any illiterate person also can start business. It doesn't mean you don't have to do study if you want to do a business. But a simple man with the help of profession, they can start business. So such kind of qualification no required here. So no requirement of any qualification. Here for profession, yes, professional degree. Professional degree or training. You need professional degree because, like, if you want to become a lawyer, then you have to complete your LLB, then you have to take your membership from council bar. Okay? And for employment, yes, any kind of qualification which is described by your employer. One more thing, your employment starts with the very first step whenever you get letter of appointment. Letter of appointment from your employer. Okay? Third is capital investment. If you want to set up a big business, then you require huge capital. If you want to set up a business on small scale, then you need small capital. So it depends on scale of business. And here you require some capital, but not too much like here you require in business. Like first you have to complete your professional degree, so comparatively to business you require less capital here. And here in employment, no requirement of any capital investment. Fourth is reward or return. When you do any kind of business, then you take return in form of profit. And whenever you become any profession like doctor, lawyer, CA, CS, then you charge your professional fees. And here in employment, when you are working for others, then you get salary. risk, more risk, more profit. You heard this for many times. For any business, whenever you start any business, you take risk. So risk more or depends on size of business. If your business is small, then you have to take less comparatively to more. And if you have bigger size of business, then you have big risk. Here in professional, less risk. Because whenever you become a professional, then you charge a professional fees and there is less chances of risk. Here, no chances of, because you are working for others, so you get your monthly or weekly salary. So there is no chance of any kind of risk. Thank you.